Johnny Knoxville, and this is the high five. Oh my goodness. Good morning.
Yeah, Don, what up, brother? What's up, school?
What's up, nerd?
Those guys are hilarious. They do so much funny stuff.
I know, right? Hey, you know what? Maybe we should try some of that stuff. Here, on Sodor.
I don't think it's a good idea, James.
That's right. That bone-headed logo of the show is a reminder to let everybody know not to get into more train accidents. Guys, shut up. You worry too much. I saw something on TV that I want to do in my own way. Meanwhile...
Do you still think it's a good idea, James?
Sure, that's how I do it. Harvey, you filming? Alright, action! I'm James, and this is All Aboard the Falling Train. Here I go. Whee! Wow, I did not expect that to happen. Meanwhile...
I'm Thomas, and this is B Funnel.
Alright, what'd you do to yourself, Thomas?
Well, I just covered my entire funnel with honey. Now I'm waiting for the bees. Ready, Percy?
Okay, Thomas. Bugs away.
Okay, they're on there. Just nobody move. Don't want to make them mad.
Yeah, wouldn't want the bees to get mad. You bees stink. I hate you so
Stop
much.
it. Stop
You're
it.
mean,
I'm
you're
serious.
greedy, you always
Knock it
think
off.
people alive, you don't
Stop.
care about anybody else.
Alright, it's enough. Get them off and put them back in their hive.
You know what? You're right. Enough is enough. Percy, open the hive.
Okay, buddy, bring him over here.
Wow, holy cow. This is awesome.
Oh, why did you do that?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe just for fun.
Very funny.
Meanwhile...
James, you know it's not safe, right?
Shut up, Percy. Just keep filming. Okay. I'm James, and this is the flying train. Okay, Harvey. Contact! Alright, James. Hang on tight. Wee-haw! Look at me fly! I'm flying like the Dragon.
Nice job on that ramp, Harvey.
Just doing my job, dude. If there's one thing I know, it's ramps. Meanwhile...
Are you okay, James?
Oh, I'm fine. Woof! I almost broke my arm right after I ran into that tree. That's what I always say. Trees are a pain in the pine. You're telling me.
Ha, gotcha back.
Dude, I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too.
Want to get something to eat?
Oh, heck yeah! Let's go to Applebee's, because that tree gave me the idea. Oh boy, I love Applebee's!